And there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy SRT_Benton. Once again, we got another video for y'all today. Hope everybody is doing well. I hope everybody is staying safe out there through this whole pandemic that we having with this coronavirus stuff. Can't wait till it's over. Let me step out the road before I mess around and get hit. But we got Grace here looking pretty as ever. Y'all know how we do it. You know, we just cleaned her up yesterday. Got them bugs on the front. Y'all see, this is the only thing I hate about spring and summertime. The warm weather is when we get these bugs right here. See, I personally like the cold weather because we don't have to worry about that. I don't have to worry about the pollen, all that good stuff. But topic of this video today is gonna be on some new modifications that I got done up under the hood. I'm gonna give y'all this cold start real quick. Y'all know we got to do that. Boy, look at that thing. She clean. I might need to put some more darker tint on there though. That's that factory tint they put on there. But let me hit this cold start for y'all. Y'all know we got the remote. Hit it once, hit it twice. And we're gonna step back. Be careful. Yes, sir. Yep, she purring. But like I was saying, I got some new modifications done. Shout out to JJ in my group Queen City Challengers. He actually did just sell his 392 TA. He bought him a Ram, which is very nice. You know, him and his wife bought a new house, so you know you got to do what you got to do sometimes. And I think he's just wanting something a little different than a Challenger. He's had 7 Challengers in his lifetime, so probably just wanted a feel for something new. So basically what I did was I went and bought a few things that he had up under his hood mounted on his Challenger. So here in a second, I'm gonna pop this hood and we're gonna check out what's up under there. All right, guys, we back here. Let me let y'all check this out real quick. So as you can see, it is black, so it kind of blends in with the engine. But I'm gonna start off with the first one right here. This oil catch can. This right here is something that everybody needs to get. If you have a Challenger, Charger, Chrysler 300, I don't care what it is. If you got a Hemi in it, hell, really, you can use this for a regular car. But if you got a Hemi, a high performance car, making the power that these cars make, naturally aspirated, you need to get this oil catch can. This right here is gonna save you in the long run. It took me a little while to get mine. I just procrastinated on it for a while. You can order these off of Amazon. You can order them off of whatever site that you prefer. They usually cost about $140, $130, about $130 on average. You can get an oil catch can, and it comes with all the hardware with the mounting bracket and your hoses and everything. So definitely get one of these. It catches all the oil that has debris and stuff in it, and it keeps it from going back up into the engine. Now, if you notice if you go and look at your car right now, if you have a 392 or a 5.7 or whatever the case is, there's going to be a brace that runs from here straight to here. And basically it just filters oil. It just recycles back and forth. So you got nasty oil going back into the engine. This right here, all the oil comes in through these lines and it goes into this can right here. And you can unscrew this from the bottom and dump it out after, you know, a month or two. So definitely get your oil catch can. I know a lot of guys doing it. I didn't do an installation video on this stuff because a lot of people have done videos on this stuff, and I don't want to kind of bore y'all with, you know, just another oil catch can installation. So just wanted to show y'all what I had got done. So this oil catch can is going to be number 1. Number 2 is going to be these valve covers for you know, washer fluid, you got your oil valve cover, and you got your or washer fluid over here, and then your what's the name? But this right here is Billet Technology brand. This stuff is actually pretty expensive. Now I did get a little discount, you know, because a buddy of mine sold it to me, so I was able to get a little discount. But this right here, this right here, this right here, and then this piece right back here, this is going through your AC unit. That all right there is about $100 and some odd. So pretty expensive, but it's good material. You know, this is, I don't know what type of material it is, but it feels like steel, honestly. It's very durable. So this is Billet Technology brand. You know, you can get this customized in any color that you want it. He actually had the black and chrome, which blends in with the engine, so it makes everything look a little cleaner up under here. Even with the oil catch can, it's black. This is black. That's black. I am going to change the oil dipstick and probably get me a black one and just change out this yellow piece. I like the clean look. Now, I was going to dress my engine up, as y'all know. I was going to incorporate some yellow in there, maybe put the Powered by SRT yellow and put some yellow on the valve cover right here. But I didn't want to overdo it, so I said I'll just take what he has and just make it a clean look on the engine. Now, last but not least, we got the petty strut bar right here. We got this right here. Now, I am just trying this out to see how well I like it. He told me to take it in some curves and stuff and just see how the car handles. Basically, what this bar is supposed to do is hold the frame, so when you go around a corner, it basically holds the car instead of, you know, moving around. Like when you go around a curve, you kind of move in the seat and all that, you know, sliding back and forth. But with this bar, it's supposed to hold the frame when you're going around a curve, so you're more upright with the car. So better, you know, it's a suspension thing. It's for better steering. It basically holds that car so it doesn't have any give in it. But yeah, you know, naturally aspirated, 392, powered by SRT, and powered by SRT. I don't want to hear nothing from y'all. That's an RT, that's an RT. It says powered by SRT. I know I ain't trying to upbash the car, but I'm pointing out the facts. I'm pointing out the facts. Powered by SRT. They wouldn't put the shit on there if it wasn't what it was, you know, just simple fact. So, we got that right there. Y'all know we got them lights down there, so I ain't got to say nothing about that. But yeah, definitely get y'all oil catch can. That's going to be a must. All this other stuff, this is just cosmetic little, you know, this is not necessary. You don't even need the bar up there. You know, if you're not really taking this car on tracks and stuff like that, you don't really need the strut bar. But this oil catch can, you need this. You definitely need this. So invest in getting one. You can even go on Amazon and you can get the cheap ones. They got so many brands that you can get for $110. They got some for 80 to 90 bucks. You know, they're not as, the material is not going to be as durable, but you know, you're still going to get the usage of what it's meant to, you know, what it's meant for. So yep, just wanted to show y'all the engine. I did clean it up yesterday, so it do look a little shiny. Y'all know most people's engine bays is all dirty and stuff, but we clean for the most part. But yep, just wanted to give y'all that overview of what all I did. And y'all know we got them splitter guards down there. But yep, the next thing I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna be honest, I was gonna wrap this car, but this color, every day I wash it, well, not every day I wash it, but you know, when I do wash it, which is about 2 times a week, this color just pops so well. And with the sunlight hitting it, dusk and dawn, this car is phenomenal. I'm gonna tell you, the color is great, and that's the reason why I bought this color. I was gonna wrap it, but I don't think I'm gonna do that now. You know, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna still put the Hellcat Devil Forge wheels on there, or I might even do the HC2s. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm still thinking on that. I'll probably just do that, and that'll be it. And maybe go a little darker on my tint, but there's really nothing else that I can do to this car, because it'll take the looks away from it, you know, just doing too much. And I might do a little bit of inside stuff. Honestly, I might order that piping kind of put some yellow piping in here. I don't know if it'll look tacky. I might not put as much, but we got that sanitizer. Y'all know this virus out here. But yeah, you know, we might do a little something like that. Now, I did just hit 10,380 miles. Now, I did buy this car in September. Now, this is my everyday driver. So, you know, there is going to be miles put on the car. But she is running strong as ever, just like when I first bought her. You know, everything's still working fine. There's no malfunctions, no glitches, nothing like that. I even got a cheap radar detector up there. I got the one at Walmart for 48 bucks, and I still ain't got a ticket. And y'all know I lay my foot in here every now and again. You know, Challenger is, I got a good one. I think I got a good one out of the production line. You know, I know some people buy these new cars and they end up having some issues right off the bat when they first get it, but I haven't had any issues. Thank God, because you know, that's the worst thing that you could possibly do is buy a brand new car and start having issues out of it. So but yeah, just wanted to give y'all a little overview of what I did to the car yesterday. Hopefully this virus stuff is hopefully gonna blow over soon, because I'm honestly tired of everything being closed down. Because now me and my fiance, we do still work, so we don't have to worry about, you know, staying in the house all day every day like a lot of Americans right now. But once this virus blows over, y'all know we're gonna have the car enthusiasts in the car world is gonna probably be strong as ever, because I know everybody's itching to just take the cars out and get together. You know, there is some smaller groups here and there. Yesterday I did go, after I did the work to my car, I actually went and met up with head turners of Charlotte. Met up with head turners, a couple of those guys in that group. They had a little get together. I know probably wasn't supposed to do that, but you know, just a little something, you know, just a couple hours of a meeting, and had some nice stuff out there. So if y'all check out the other video, you'll see that. And you know, those guys actually come in pretty strong. So nice cars, nice rides, nice people, you know, pretty cool guys. You know, a lot of these groups, these guys can be some a-holes at times, but you know, those guys, I didn't have a problem. Even though I wasn't part of their group like that, I went out, you know, I was invited by Knockout 360. Shout out to him. Y'all go down there and subscribe to his channel. He invited me out, you know, and I just kind of went out and hung out, and I knew a couple of the guys out there because I have dealt with them through my group. But, you know, everybody talks, you know, everybody, you know, they interact with each other. It doesn't matter if you're not part of the group or not. They still interact with you. So that's the type of stuff that I like when we go out to car shows, because, you know, it doesn't matter what you drive, you know, as long as you come out and you know, you like cars, and, you know, you can get together and, you know, go have lunch. And, you know, if people are down or if they need something, you know, you got people in the car family that actually helps you out, you know. So that's the type of stuff that I like whenever I go out to car groups or car meetups and stuff like that. So, but yeah, with that being said, I'm about to go get some breakfast and come on back to the house. I'm gonna just chill today, probably get on some Xbox and play Call of Duty for a little while, and come back out here and wipe this car down one last time for the day, because I think it's supposed to do a little drizzling tonight. So but yeah, y'all hold it down. Once again, we're gonna be back with y'all hopefully soon with another video. We'll see what next week brings us. I know they're starting to open some stuff up slowly but surely, but we'll see. SRT_Benton, we out.